Powell says no. Oh boy! You wanna know the last information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? Then smash the like button, cause it's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max, with your host for the most, Rodrigo Arnedo. And this is the stock market in the red. A very sad day out there. Also, dollar going up, and we have Bitcoin going down. So this is not what we like. We have to analyze why the stock market went so low in United States. Here you have a stock trader crying with a 5% discount.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
And the crypto trader with a 50% that just doesn't understand. The bubble are in the green, Pepe 11% down. In fact, I have here some of the most important drops. You have Peanut with a 65% drop, Popcat 58% drop, with 51%, Bunk 49. You have there Pepe with that 29, even Doge with 25%. In other cryptocurrencies, not so meme coins, we have Bitcoin with close to 8%, Ethereum 11%, XRP 13%, etc. So now, what do you think? This is the end, or maybe this is the chance that you were waiting for? You wanted discounts on these cryptocurrencies. Now that there's blood in the streets, are you gonna buy, or are you gonna wait till it's back again to the same point? Of course, as always, this is not financial advice. I have no idea whatsoever what I'm talking about, so do not trade with my ideas. But consider things like this. Volatility is life. We are used to this drop. 6%, 10% is usual. You have one here, another one here, and another one here. So yes, I believe we're not so bad yet. Consider also that we have the 100K and it was support. So you can see again a lot of people there saying we are not going to allow Bitcoin going down from that line. And what happened? Well, you have here Jerome Powell just with this pinch of salt, and the market went down. The Federal Reserve cut interest rate by 25 basic points, which allegedly was a good thing, but we had this guy asking Jerome Powell, what about that Bitcoin strategic reserve in the United States? And he said that the Fed is not allowed to own Bitcoin and they're not looking for a law change. Let's just listen to Jerome Powell.
Benefits in the U.S. government building a reserve of Bitcoin.
We're not allowed to own Bitcoin. The Federal Reserve Act says what we can own, and we're not looking for a law change. That's the kind of thing for Congress to consider, but we are not looking for a law change at the Fed.
They are not looking for it at the Fed, and well, that's why probably cryptocurrencies started going down, because everybody just panics when he said the Fed is not allowed owning Bitcoin. But also some irony out there. They weren't allowed to own corporate bonds before COVID either, and they had it, even though it was a temporary measure. But the idea here is that things might change. Also, comments on that tweet, everybody saying, what about gold? They can have gold. Also, a lot of people saying that Jerome Powell is going to be replaced by Donald Trump, even though he doesn't want to leave, but he might pressure him to go, so we might have a change in those policies. And maybe even people saying that he doesn't want to promote Bitcoin, but another currency, the Jerome Powell currency. We'll see about that. And we'll see about the market with this decision. He says that we have avoided recession, and he expects another very good year. But if that's the case, why is the market going down like crazy? Well, we don't understand. We have here a sum up of all the data that Jerome Powell said yesterday, and you can see that some of it it's okay, some of it maybe it's not that much. I asked Grok for a sum up of all that, and again, Grok says that some of it it's okay, some of it is not really good. So maybe the market sees that maybe we have stop on those cuts in the future, and maybe they are not going to borrow with the same conditions, and maybe it was it. But remember, we have it on our social media. Follow us on X. Today we believe it's so over. Tomorrow we're so back. The day after tomorrow it's so over again. And the next day we're so back again. And this is just the cycle of life. Michael Saylor was wrong 11 years ago. Exactly yesterday he said Bitcoin days are numbered. It seems like just a matter of time before it suffers the same fate as online gambling. So Jerome Powell can be wrong, the Fed can be wrong, Michael Saylor was wrong, and now he owns more than 2%. And what about this guy, amazing? Remember the term hodl? Not hold, but hodl? Well, this is the guy that created it. Here he speaks drunk about it and about trading, not advising trading whatsoever, but hodling forever.
I am hodling December 18th, 2013, 10:03 and 3 seconds a.m. I typed that title twice because I knew it was wrong the first time. Still wrong, whatever. Girlfriend's out of a lesbian bar, Bitcoin crashing. Why am I holding? I'll tell you why. It's because I'm a bad trader and I know I'm a bad trader. Yeah, you good traders can spot the highs and the lows, pit pat piffy wing wong wang, just like that, make $1 million bucks. Sure, no problem, bro. Likewise, the weak hands are like, oh no, it's going down, I'm gonna sell. And then they're like, oh god, my asshole, when the smart traders who know what the fuck they're doing buy back in. But you know what? I'm not part of that group. When the traders buy back in, I'm already part of the market capital, so guess who you're cheating, day traders, not me. Those taunt threads saying, oh, you should have sold. Yeah, no shit. No shit, I should have sold. I should have sold moments before every sell and bought moments before every buy. But you know what? Not everybody's as cool as you. You only sell in a bear market if you are a good day trader or an illusioned noob. The people in between hold. In a zero-sum game such as this, traders can only take your money if you sell.
Well, the idea there again would be just not selling ever, and that's it. Even Miss Universe knows about it, and now Miss India was asked by her, and well, she knows a lot about Bitcoin. She says here she knows it's a decentralized technology. There's no bank intermediaries between it, and so on and so forth. Just she's not using it. So now Miss Universe 2022 in El Salvador is going to host her trip there, and she will show her how to use it. So yeah, maybe India and every other Miss Universe and everybody just buying Bitcoin. Absolutely possible. Alejandra Guajardo, Miss Bitcoin, calls herself a Twitter account. Miss Charm El Salvador 2024, Miss Universe El Salvador 2022, and Miss Bitcoin, freedom lover, speaker, and entrepreneur. So yeah, we like that a lot. Remember, this was the dress she had at her Miss Universe contest when she won, and she is a Bitcoin supporter big time. Good for that. El Salvador now is securing 3.5 billion EMF financing package after agreeing to make accepting Bitcoin voluntary and unwind its Chivo wallet. That's a good thing, probably so, but I want to understand it. I'm not sure. I asked Grok, and we have no news from Bukele why we have this credit. Why do we need this? Is it okay having a relationship with the EMF or not? If you know about this, leave a comment below. Thank you very much, because yesterday commentaries were awesome and I learned a lot. So probably today we will learn a lot too in those comments. Thank you for everybody that just says hello also, because that helps us. So go and read and type a comment below. Bitcoin just did the homework. We told you that usually these gaps get filled, and it did. I might eventually trade with this in the future. And it's good to see that we are back on track beyond 100K. Also, what about the weekly? Well, you can see we have an engulfing flung candle. That's not good thing. That means the trend is going the other way around. But we are in week number 7. And remember that we told you that in previous crazy times, when we are going like this, we have up to 8 weeks. In 2013, Bitcoin pulled back in week 7, price discovery. In 2017, it retraced 34% in week 8. In 2021, Bitcoin pulled back 16% in week 6. So, of course, your friend Roderick here, remember to smash the like button. I went to TradingView, and you have here those moments that this tweet is relating to. So, if we have zoom in, you can see if we do like 2013, we might be just in the end of the crazy rally. Also, some weeks still ahead of us if we are doing what we did in 2017. And if we do 2021, well, down and then up again. But I don't really believe we are doing this because you can see this was mostly the end of it. And I believe we are 1 year before that, according to the Bitcoin cycles. Again, this is not financial advice, but we told you all about this in the previous video. Go to that one, and you can see what I believe about it. I believe that we might still have till March or October next year. We'll see about that. And if you want some optimism out there, well, we are here from CryptoCon. The idea that if we follow Fibonacci targets, we achieve the 109K, and the next one will be 166,000. And he believes it's a possibility being there by February 2025. That would be amazing. Consider that 1.5 trillion Deutsche Bank is building allegedly L2 blockchain on Ethereum, according to Bloomberg reports. Also, BlackRock's ETFs have just made history by investing in the first municipal bonds issued on the blockchain. RWA is going to be massive. Maybe so. ETF yesterday, not good, but BlackRock, 356 million they bought. Ethereum, as we predicted, we went to the line and back up again. So our chart, watch previous videos, keeps on track. And the market still ready, even though we are just in the grid and we are scared not about cryptocurrencies, but about the Spanish situation. Now, from Europe, they're saying that we are in a critical situation. I leave you the link in the description below if you want to know more about this. And we told you yesterday in our last video, you have to watch it. Amazing information, and thank you for all the comments that you wrote yesterday. We talk about Mr. Retractor, and I have a nice, lovely meme about Mr. Retractor. Maybe I say it, maybe not. I even went to Suno, and with V4, that you can do 4 songs for free, or something like that. 8 songs for free, or 9. Well, I had a song about Mr. Retractor that if you want to listen to, you have to go to this video, the Spanish version on CryptoNews, because it's in Spanish. And I have more homework to do in this topic, because we have a new interview to NAVAL. This man is so smart, and he says that the greatest threats to the future are suppression of freedom of speech, freedom of mathematics, freedom of expression, and freedom of creation. So I'm going to watch it. I will tell you about this in tomorrow's show, but you can watch it now. I'm going to leave the link in the description below so you can do that and learn about it. And also, I want to learn about this from Russia. Russia president announcing they have a cancer vaccine. Is this true? Is this fake news? Do I have to retract? I just telling you, I found this out there. Is this another of those crazy things, or there's truth behind it? Also, more homework to do. I found an interview to the next president to be in United States, and well, I want to watch it to learn what's going on in countries that are not Spain, because here I know what's going on so good, and you do too. Also, some more homework. If you are not yet on the Cardano pool, you have to come with us and validate. We just validated 2 blocks in a row, so we are having a good time there. And remember, your Christmas presents for your crypto bro, you have a discount below for any ledger cold wallet that you wanna buy, Ledger Nano X or S. You have dollars extra that you can get. Also, good idea to have a treasure, say 3 or 5. Links in the description below. And remember that we have friends at klowscott.com where you can have a 35% discount on these keys if you use the code FUN35. Thank you very much. And remember, we have a draw from CLCripto, very interesting one, and people are not participating, just 6 entries. So go to the link below because you have a lot of chances of winning that very interesting prize. I would do it just right now. And also, I will rest for a little bit like this guy because it's too much information. Sometimes it feels that it's too much. We get scared, like this Dogecoin is scared about this cat, which is the market. I'm so scared about you. Of course you are. Go out there and enjoy life like this cat just playing in the cold with the snow. Yes, we can do that. And we can keep on learning with Rodrigo Arnedo about AI in this channel, and also, of course, about Bitcoin on Rodrigo Arnedo's Noticias Bitcoin Crypto News. Fun on the ride. Health, money, love, pour in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the